Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones. I'm going to show you how you can factory reset these. You want to factory reset these if you have issues pairing or connecting, or one side's working and one side's not, or one side's low volume, and so on. Now to factory reset these first, it doesn't matter if it's on or off, okay? All you got to do is go over to this ear cup here, and you have the Bluetooth/power button and the multifunction button here. What you want to do is press both buttons and keep holding for over 15 seconds until you see this light over here blink white twice. So we're going to factory reset this really quickly. I'm currently connected to my iPhone. The Bose QC Ultra is connected, okay? So let's go ahead and factory reset these, okay? Bluetooth power button, multifunction button. Press and hold. Ready, set, go. Keep on holding until we see after 15 seconds, and then you see the white light blink twice, then let go. Okay, I'm still holding on both buttons here. It's blue right now, just holding still. Now after 15 seconds, now once it's double blinks twice white, okay, it just blinked twice, go ahead and let go. And then once I do that, it should go into a slow blue blinking light indicating it's a pairing mode. So these are factory reset. Now remember, this was connected before my Bose QC. Now the thing is, it's blinking, slowly blinking blue. It's in pairing mode. So if I wanted to connect back to my iPhone here, I would just go to Bluetooth, and then I will go down, but it's not going to show up here under other devices because I was connected before. Remember, it's still in my pairing list. So I need to first take it out. So Bose QC Ultra is right here. So let me click on this I right here for the iPhones. Then I'm going to tap on forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, you would tap on unpair. Okay, now it's gone. Now if I slide down, it should show up under other devices that are in pairing mode, okay? But if it doesn't show up here, then just go ahead and just turn off Bluetooth really quickly, turn it back on, and then slide down, and we can see it's still in pairing mode. It's still blinking blue. And now under other devices, there it is, Bose QC Ultra headphones. Let me tap on that right there. And now we are connected back, all right? Pretty simple.